What up, gang? We back with another one of those videos today, man. All right, so what we got going on at Atlanta Banshee today, we are going to work on the Red Hawk, man. I know it's been a long time coming. So actually the Red Hawk is running, but I had to do a few things on the Red Hawk to finish it up so we could do a test run on it. So no excuses, I've been busy, but no excuses, man. Today we gonna tighten everything up on this Red Hawk so we can goddamn get it out here to Duke, man. If you haven't, hit that like and that subscribe, man. It's two things in this world that don't cost. It costs $0 to be yourself, man, and it costs $0 to subscribe to this channel, man. Like I said, Atlanta Banshee, we're trying to get this thing over 1,000 subs. We almost there. We got 102 more subs that we need to be at that 1,000, man. So if y'all can, man, share this video, man. Get y'all friends. Everybody tune in with Atlanta Banshee, man. We all family here, gang. So yeah, man. Let's go ahead and jump into this bike. Let's get this thing going, man. And we're gonna do some, cause I gotta do quite a few things here. We're gonna do some time lapse on it, man. So we'll do some time lapse and I'll walk y'all through what I'm doing so we can go and get this thing going. Gang. Packages in. Let's go ahead and bust these on up and see what we got here, man. All right, so the first pieces that came in, these is the pipe hangers for the SLP pipes. Today, and I low-key start opening this one already. Let's see what we got in here. This feel like sprocket, so let's go ahead and open this. Pipe hangers right here that we open. And yeah. All right, so we didn't talk about this bike here, but this is the next bike that's about to get built, man. This is that cherry red. It actually looked better than this. It's fresh powder coat on it. It looked better than this though when the sun hit it. So this is the next build. As soon as we finish up with her right here, we're gonna go ahead and start on that thing, man. So let's jump right into this Red Hawk. Let's go. We're gonna start on the rear axle. I gotta take the sprocket off. We're gonna change the sprocket. We gotta unloosen this and we gotta flip this ring around. So we gotta jack this thing up and get these wheels off, man, so we can get this thing going. Let's go. All right, cool, gang. So we got the rear end off. We actually See, we got the ring on here. We actually flip this around. So if y'all do get one of these Tuss axles, the ring sit in the inside of this here. I had it flipped around where the ring was on the outside and it popped off. So it's supposed to go on the inside of this groove. And how you get it on is I used a flathead, kind of like a sledgehammer, to slide that pin on. I had a little grease on it still from the last time, so it kind of it slid on for me. So I had it, well, I didn't have an issue, but this was a little tight, so we had to get this unloosened. What I had to do was take the Allen key out. It's an Allen key in here. They go in that hole right there. I had to take it out, unloosen it up so I can, you know, get the axle to move. Now what we're gonna do, we got the safety clamps for the sprocket. We got those unloosened, and we're gonna put on the new sprockets that we got from PBI. So yeah, let's finish getting this going, gang. And then next thing we're gonna do after this, we're gonna do the pipe hangers, get the pipes on, and kind of go from there, gang. Y'all with me? Let's go, man. All right, cool, gang. Shit, we pretty much, we got the axle taken care of, man. We got the new sprocket put on here in the back. We took off the 41, and this is 38 I'm gonna run on it. And we actually flipped this piece around here. Thing I put on is my chain tensioners here, and we're gonna tighten everything up. And everything should be done on the very end, but we're gonna skip that part, man. The next thing we're gonna throw on is these pipe hangers real quick, because that's gonna be an easy. I actually gotta find the chain adjusters. So I gotta find those, so we'll jump. Only thing we gotta do is put on the pipe hangers, and we gotta check the steering wheel, all the components up there. And then also we gotta bleed the brakes too, man. So that shouldn't be too bad to do. What I mean by tighten up components is like this stuff here. It's still a little loose, but everything else is tight on the bike, man. So let's jump right in this thing, gang. Got the front brakes blade and the back brakes blade. So as y'all seen, we kind of did a time lapse. Still got a strap my back brake up here. The front brakes are done too as well. So I gotta clean everything up, you know what I mean? Do that, we gonna put we gotta get the pipes still done here, which ain't gonna take long. I just gotta go get the middle clamps to clamp these on. I was gonna use these, but I decided I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna just go with the green right there. Yeah, we just gotta put those clamps on there, and then only thing we gotta do is put on the fans, man. Everything else is tight on this bike, and we're gonna get this bike out the Dukes, man. So let's jump right into this, get this done, and let's go, gang. right, gang, that's gonna be it for this video today, man. We pretty much got everything tightened on that Red Hawk. We got everything tightened up. Only thing we gotta do is put the bolts in the radiator shroud here. I do still gotta put that front sprocket on. And if y'all look in here, the exhaust clamps, I ain't got none of them, man. So I gotta go to the hard AutoZone and grab some of them joints. So I gotta grab them, put them on. We gonna clean this bike up, man, and she should be ready to go. I gotta tighten this down too, but I ain't gonna have y'all watch for that. But the Red Hawk came out pretty dope, man. Red Hawk next to the red Camaro, you know what I mean? So everything gonna turn out good. I mean, you'll be able to see everything once the seat come back. I put them decals on that thing, and oh yeah, the bumper. Once the bumper come in, everything will be tied up, man. But next week, we ain't gonna wait on the seat or the bumper. We gonna go and do a test run on this thing and see what she running like, man. We might need a second tune, I don't know right now, but me and Duke, we gonna chop that up and see. But yeah, man, she came out pretty dope, man. Let y'all check this thing out, man. Y'all check that thing out, man. Badass bike, gang. Like I said, garage a mess, man. I've been working in this thing, man. This how I look when I'm in here working. Actually, this the first time I done got in here and got busy in this thing, man. Let me let y'all see the other side there. Yeah, man, it's official. Yes, sir. So yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this video today, man. 2 things in this world that don't cost. 1, that's being yourself. 2, subscribing to this channel. Like I said, gang, we trying to run up over 1,000 subs, man. Go ahead and share this. Gang.